In this video, I will be showing you how to create Raffle ticket in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and head straight to the search bar where I'll type in Raffle ticket. As the results populate, I can see hundreds of professionally designed templates. I'm going to spend a moment scrolling through these to find one that fits the vibe of my upcoming event. I'm looking for something clean and modern that includes all the necessary fields for a raffle, like a serial number and a contact section. This orange and white template looks perfect, so I'll click on it to see the preview and then hit Customize this template to open it in my workspace. Now that the editor is open, I'll start making it my own by changing the color scheme. I'll select the brown accents and background in the corners and switch them to a white from the color menu. Next, it's time to update the event name. I'll click on the main heading and change it to Spring 2026. I also need to update the event details at the bottom of the ticket. I'll select the text at the bottom and change the date to April 16th, 2030, and time at 5 p.m., and then I'll make sure the address reflects exactly where the draw will take place. To really make this look like a spring event, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Spring, specifically within the Photos category. I'll scroll through the options until I find a beautiful image of flowers that will serve as a great backdrop. I'll right-click my chosen image and select Apply Colors to Page. Because the background is now more colorful, I'll need to adjust some of the other elements for better contrast. I'll select the text and change its color to a darker purple. I'll also add and reposition some floral graphics to frame the text nicely without overlapping any important information like the name or contact fields. Once I'm happy with the layout and the legibility of the text, my custom raffle ticket is complete. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.